Hi students, I am Mitra Bhanu Sahu from Government ITI Cuttack. For the next 30 minutes, you will be with me on the topic part programming in CNC, which would have been covered in this lockdown period. So students, we know CNC is a highly modified machine tool. Before CNC, we had conventional machines to satisfy our manufacturing products. When we are dealing with conventional machines, because of three most important limitations, it couldn't satisfy the manufacturing industries. Those three limitations were: these are the three limitations which conventional machines could not satisfy. So automation came into existence. As a result of automation, CNC came to the world. So let's see what is a CNC machine. A CNC machine tool is a numerical control machine tool where input is given to the computer. It is a mini computer or a microprocessor where we give the input. Before CNC, we had NC machines. NC means numerical control machines, where we give the input through a punched tape. It is a punched tape. Through a punched tape, we give the input to the machine tool. But the disadvantage is, by using punch tool, we cannot modify the program. Also, it is very difficult to write a program through a punch tape. So CNC came into existence. So it is the definition of a CNC, where a input is given by a mini computer or a microprocessor. So what are the basic advantages of a CNC machine tool? These three are the main advantages of a CNC machine tool, where we can edit a program easily, which was a disadvantage of a NC machine tool. Again, flexibility is the most important advantage of a CNC machine tool. Flexibility means complicated shapes can be manufactured using a CNC machine tool. Also, higher quality production, keeping idle time and machining time to minimum is the advantage of a CNC machine tool. Where there is when there is advantages of, these are the advantages of a CNC machine tool. Also, there is disadvantages of CNC machine tool. Mainly, the disadvantage of a CNC machine tool is cost. Cost in various forms. Initial cost means what is the cost we are paying to the manufacturer of CNC machine tool, is the initial cost which is very high. Also, maintenance cost, transportation cost, labor cost, these are also the other costs which are very high in the case of CNC machine tool. Next, let's see how a CNC machine operates. In a CNC machine tool, we give the input through a microprocessor or a mini computer. We can give the input through a CAD/CAM software, or we can write part program by ourselves also. How we will write a part program in CNC, we will see that later. So also we can bring a part program directly from CAD and CAM softwares in CNC machine. So next, where we write a part program, we write that by using a mini computer in the interface of or control surface of the computer. Whatever part program we are writing, that's being converted to a electric pulse, which is input to the feed drives. Feed drives may be a stepper motor, servo motor. So when the feed drives gets the electric pulse, it transfers that pulse to the actuation system, where the actuation system converts the rotational motion to the translatory motion. That translatory motions is being carried out by slide ways and guide ways. Actuation system, where rotational motion converted to translatory motion, that can be achieved through a roller bearing or through rack and pinion mechanism. Then we get the translatory motion through slide ways or guide ways, which carries the machine turret. So the desired motion we get by this manner. So first we write the part program, then part program is being written in the interface or control surface, then it takes the command to a electric pulse, then to feed drive, then feed drive to actuation system, then to slide wise, then to machine turret. So next we see what is the control system. Control systems are two types. One is a open loop control system, second is a closed loop control system. Previously we had most of the machines were open loop control system, but CNC is mostly a closed loop control system device. In open loop control system, we give input to the controller, then controller process it, then we get the output. But in closed loop control system, we give the input, then input is amplified, then it goes to the controller, then process, but here we get a feedback. Suppose we are dealing with microns. Suppose we have to get the machine turret to a position, let 32.50 mm. The machine turret actually moves to 32.50 or 32. How we will get that? If there is no feedback system, we can't actually know the machine turret actually moved to 32.50 or 32. Means a loss of 0.50 mm. So closed loop control system is the most advantage of CNC machine, where we can know the actual positioning of the machine turret through different devices. It may be a resonator, LVDT, linear variable differential transformer, or a strain gauge. So basically in closed loop control system, we are getting a feedback based control system. Next, see what is the axis convention of a CNC turning machine. In a CNC turning machine, it is the headstock of a machine tool, CNC lathe machine tool, which holds the workpiece. The machine turret, if it moves in the longitudinal direction, then we call that as a Z axis. If it moves in the transverse direction, we call it as X axis. So we position according to that Z and X position. So this is the axis convention of a CNC turning machine tool. Next, we will see how a part programming part program is being written in a CNC machine tool. Before writing a part program in CNC machine tool, we must know what are the G codes and M codes for turning. For operating in CNC turning machine tool, we must know G codes. First, let's see what is the first code, G00. G00 means positioning rapid traverse. Let's go to the last slide. Here we have a machine turret headstock which holds the workpiece. Here basically there are 3 points. Those are the machine reference points. This is a point. This point is known as part 0 point. Or floating point. Another, there is a point which we call as machine reference point. This is called machine 0 point. I denote it as M. Apart from this, there is also another point that is called safety point. When the machine was about to run, the turret is in the position of machine 0 point. Then we have to bring the machine 0 point, bring the turret from machine 0 point to the safety point. When it is about to when we are about to bring the machine turret from machine 0 to safety point, there is no workpiece, so we have to bring the machine turret so at a high speed. So it is called as that's why it is called as rapid traverse, where this is a point denoted by Z and X. So we generally denote it as Z00, Z position of this point and X position of this point. Then we define this point, that is part 0 and floating point, by a method called offsetting. If we have to cut in a linear motion, suppose we have to cut this workpiece, we have to generate like this. Suppose this is our workpiece, we have to convert to this. So this point is the reference point from which we have to consider from this point what is the dimension of this point, or any other points. So we have to define this point by a method called offsetting. So in the G01, suppose I have to make a path like this. So it is here the machine turret moves in a linear path. So I have to use command G01. In the G02, it is mentioning circular interpolation clockwise. From here to here, I have to move, making a radius like structure. So where I am just, my machine turret is traveling in a clockwise direction. So here I will use Z02, Z, X and radius. And in this curve, machine turret is traveling in an anti-clockwise direction. So it is Z03 command. Likewise, we have Z04, means dwell time. Suppose we have to pause somewhere in the machining, so we use Z04. Like we have G20 input in inch, G21 input if you have to give in input in mm, where it is mostly used. G28 is the return to reference position. Reference position means where machine tool operates all the job, it goes to the machine 0 point, that is called also reference position. This is the machine reference position. Likewise G40, 41, 42 are used for tool nose radius compensations, where 41 is for left side compensation, 42 for right side compensation, and 40 is used for tool compensation cancelled. G70, 71, 72, 73, these are called non-model G codes, where these are used for machining, turning, facing, grooving, these operations. Also 80 and 83 for peg drilling cycles. 90 to use absolute mode, 91 for incremental mode, 92 for coordinate system setting, 94 feet per minute, 95 feet per revolution, 96 constant cutting speed, 96 constant rotational speed. These we have to memorize for writing part programs. And these are M codes. M codes means machine codes, miscellaneous codes, where we control the machine parameters. That means we have to stop the program, start the program, program end, spindle rotation, coolant on or off. Whatever operations relating to machine is commanded by M codes. M00 for program stop, M01 for optional stop, M02 for program end, M30 for program main, program end and rewind, M03 for spindle rotation clockwise, M04 for spindle rotation counterclockwise, M05 for spindle stop. These are the main codes. M06 for tool change, 07 for prod coolant on, similarly 09 for coolant off, and so on. Let's see what is the part program of a CNC, how to write part program of a CNC machine tool. In the part program of a CNC machine tool, first we have to write a program name. Here we are writing O001. We can also write any number between 0 to 9999. Suppose I am writing 0756. This is my program number. Then we write T0000, where T stands for tool and first two zeros for tool number. Means suppose we have in my turret we have 6 tools are fixed. So which tool I am going to deal with? I'll write, suppose I am dealing with second number tool, so I'll write 02 here. But before operating my tool, I have to cancel my previous tool number, so that suppose before me anyone has worked before me, so I have to cancel his commands. So to cancel my previous commands, I am using T0000, means I am cancelling tool number and also offsetting number. Then I am using homing. Homing means whatever I don't know where my turret now stands. So I am sending the turret to the homing position. G28X0, G28Z0 are used. G28X0 and Z0 are used for homing. T0101. Now I am giving my offset number and tool number. Then I define my speed, means what will be the speed I will deal with in this program. So I am writing G92 as 1500 M03. M03 means it will rotate clockwise. 1500 means spindle rotation will be 1500 RPM. Then I am defining G96 as 80. S80 is the cutting speed in meter per minute, where this speed is the maximum speed I am defining. Means whatever using cutting speed, whatever speed will come, it should not cross this 1500 limit. Then I am sending my machine turret to the safety position G00Z 2.0, G00X 42.0. This is I am bringing the machine turret to the safety position. Then coolant on. Then I will write coding for any operation, whatever operation I will use. Then G00Z0, G00X 42.0. This is the safety position in Z and X I am defining. Then at last M04, I am cancelling each and everything because my program has run. T00, I am cancelling my tool position, bringing the machine turret to the homing position. Lastly, I am writing M30 because so that machine will rewind and end and rewind. So students, these are some assignments for you. First question is, what is the advantage of CNC over NC, which were discussed. In NC we are using punch, tape, etc. But in CNC we have edit the program so easily because we are using mini computer and microprocessor for that. Second question, what are the mechanisms in CNC machine tool, which I have discussed in the second slide. Third question is, why closed loop control system is better compared to open loop control system. Fourth question is, how G92 and G96 codes specify spindle rotation differently. Fifth question is, what are the reference points that are used in a part programming, that I defined in that we have mainly three reference points. One is machine zero reference point, one is part zero reference point, and another is a safety point. G92, fourth question, let's see, G92 and G96 codes. G92 codes we define in G92 codes. Suppose I am writing G92 as 80, means 80 is my cutting speed in meter per minute. We know in meter per minute means we can calculate n out of that. In 96 we define that so that it will not cross. Suppose in 96 I am mentioning S 2000, it will not cross 2000 speed. So for any query, contact me. Thank you.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील माने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी आईटीआई माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणार जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम। एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे।
मु सफल, मु कुशली, मु सुदक्षा, आमे सुरक्षा।